Hey South Jersey, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Picture from last night here, where I, along with an all-star South Jersey panel, talked all about hurricane awareness at the Down Beach community meeting in Ventnor. This is part of our On the Road, our Awareness August. We'll have a video with interviews from Jim Eberwine, who's right about there, and Donna Peterson, who coordinated the event, coming to you by this weekend. Something to look out for this weekend, too, is the Tropics. That is the big story here, at least for the East Coast of the United States. Now, no threat to New Jersey. Actually, what we have here is a bunch of high pressure to our north and west that will be dominating us for the next couple of days because of what was Erin is getting out to sea. See, this big blob here just to the east of us, that is gone, so we have plenty of sunshine. However, the bigger story is Dorian. Hurricane Dorian, 85-mile-an-hour sustained winds, and a small part of that storm. We're going to show you what is expected here with the track. We're expecting strong intensification as we go forward into the next 48 hours. Should be a major hurricane. And then the big question is, does it stall here somewhere in Florida? That would be a worst-case scenario as we go into Monday and Tuesday. But at this point, it really is going to be Florida that does bear the brunt of this. This is also tropical storm force wind speed probabilities. That's 39 miles an hour above sustained. That's when OEM or medical, fire, police cannot come out and get you. It is legally too unsafe to be out there. See these winds going right into Florida. The darker the colors, the higher percentage, and that's everywhere from about West Palm Beach over to Jacksonville. Water issues closer to home, not as severe, but we have seen minor flood stage yesterday. We'll see that tonight and pretty much in most places as we go into the Friday PM high tide, which is the new moon and the king tide. That is the highest astronomical tide, and even though we have an offshore flow, that is enough to get us right into minor flood stage, and then we'll see that continue as we go into Saturday as well. Some nicer things to talk about. How about the dew point drop? 2 a.m. this morning. We were sticky. We woke up, though, just a touch humid, much different than how we entered the night last night compared to how we exited it this morning. And we'll just be dry as we go forward into the day today and even into tonight. Dew points in the 50s, feeling more like the month that is to come rather than the month we are in right now. Looking at our Labor Day weekend forecast for you, we are going to be mostly dry here. We'll put this loop in motion. Look what happens. We're staying dry. This is going into Saturday, Sunday, and then we're in a little bit of a bubble here. A couple of storms for Monday, but that is it. We'll let it loop one more time to show you, but we are looking to remain mostly rain-free as we go into our Labor Day weekend. For this afternoon, temperatures seasonable, good amount of sunshine in the air. Northwest winds 8 to 14 miles an hour. That does pin that sea breeze back along the shore. If you are heading to the shore, looking wonderful here. The only thing to talk about is just a moderate risk for rip currents, so pay attention. Ask the lifeguards if you have any questions, and do not swim where the lifeguards tell you not to, and do not swim in unguarded waters. We go into tonight, another seasonable night here with a clear sky and the lighter winds, especially in the Pine Barrens. We'll get down into the mid-50s for there, and then we go into Friday. Temperatures a little bit warmer as we have a west wind as opposed to the cooler northwest wind, but the humidity does stay down. We go into our 7-day forecast. Dry for Saturday, dry for Sunday. About the same. Easterly winds with the high pressure keep us a little bit cooler, but overall very pleasant here. Then we go into Labor Day. As Monday, a couple of showers and storms. That should extend into Tuesday, but not a washout. Looking to be a B+ here for our Labor Day weekend, and we will have our summer grades as we go into next week. For the latest in South Jersey weather, as well as the tropics, you can follow me on social media, as well as our website, thepressofac.com/weather.